Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. In this video, I'm going to show you how to complete the Gem Collector Part 3 mission in Roblox Wanted. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. To finish this mission, you need to deliver a total of 6 emeralds to Sir B. The absolute best way to get these emeralds is by robbing the jewelry store. Once you successfully crack open the jewelry vault, you may find them. As you can see on my screen right now, I just picked up another emerald from this heist. I have already turned in 5 emeralds earlier, so now I'm heading over to Sir B to hand over the 6th and final one. As soon as you give him the last emerald, the prompt will change to let you turn in the mission. Just click turn in right here and your quest will be fully completed, instantly giving you all your rewards. Keep in mind, while you might occasionally get lucky and find emeralds in airdrops, hitting the jewelry vault is your most reliable option. And that is how you complete the Gem Collector Part 3 mission. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.